children. How are you all? We hope that all of you are doing well. Today we'll go to a new lesson, Standard 1, Mathematics Workbook, Unit 2, Numbers from 1 to 9. Count and identify the number. यहाँ पर जो चित्र दिए हैं उसमें जैसे अलग अलग नंबर दिया है 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9। और इस चित्र में जैसे नंबर दिया है यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं there is a crane, one crane, and there are 2 ducks, 1, 2, 2 ducks. Then 3 rabbits, 1, 2, 3, and there is 4 fishes, 1, 2, 3 and 4 fishes. Then 5 airplanes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 airplanes. 6 flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. 7 stones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 stones. 8 birds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. 9 fruits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 fruits. Now let's look into the second picture. Here is one lion, 1, 2 elephants, 1, 2, 3 monkeys, 1, 2, 3 and 4 birds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ducks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 honeybees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ants. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ants. Let's go to next page. Make the pairs. उसको जोड़ी बनाना है। जैसे एक एग्जाम्पल आपके लिए यहाँ पर दिया गया है, kite and thread, second kite and second thread, third kite and third thread. So the same you do the lines, draw the lines in your workbook. One bowl and one spoon, second bowl and second spoon, third bowl and third spoon, fourth bowl and fourth spoon, fifth bowl and fifth spoon. Again here the same, one bat and one bowl. Here you see the next picture, one parrot, and draw line to this chili. Then second parrot to second chili, third parrot to third chili and fourth parrot to fourth chili. Again same with that table and chair, table, chair and table. Draw the lines as given above. The very next page 3, make the pairs as per example. यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है तो उसके आधार पर आप जोड़ी बनाएं. It's a lock and key. So a line is drawn here. The same you do with the pencil, and here is the eraser. Draw a line from pencil to eraser. Then hammer with nail. you can do a line from hammer to nail. Next picture is a bat shuttle. From shuttle to the bat above. Draw the line from shuttle to bat, and from shoes here you see the shoes, then from shoes to the socks. In this page you can see count and match. So an example is given here, 1 2 3 4, and here is 4 dots, 1 2 3 and 4. So do it accordingly. Then here it is 1 2 3, 3 doves or pigeons. You just draw the lines to the 3 dots here, 1 2 3. The same way you count the fish, ant, goat, lamb, mango, rabbit, capsicum and toffees. So count the dots here in this line and make line according to the numbers. On next page you can see count and match. Here in this line you can see the fingers are given. Here is 3 finger, 5 finger, 2 finger, 1 finger and 4 fingers. So here are some things given: 2 goats, 1 mango, 4 parrots, 3 ducks and 5 rats. 3 ducks and 5 rats. So draw the line according to this finger. In this page 6, count and match with the number. यहाँ पर कुछ चीज़ों का चित्र को दिया है, आप देख सकते हैं आपका वर्कबुक में, और बीच में कुछ नंबर्स दिया है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So count the things, and here it is 2 ladder, 1 2. So a line is drawn to the number 2 here. The same way you just count the things and draw the lines to the number respectively. जैसे यहाँ पर चीज़ों को दिया है उसको गिने और उसकी जो नंबर्स दिया है यहाँ पे उसके साथ इस तरीके से लाइन बनाकर जोड़ दें. Now look at this page 7. Put right for more and cross for less in the circle given for the given collection. यहाँ पे झुंड में कुछ चीज़ों का चित्रों को इस तरीके से दिया गया है, और जो ज़्यादा है उसी के सामने आप इस तरीके से टिक करना है, जो कम है उसके सामने आपको इस तरीके से wrong करना है. So you can see the second here. Here is 3 logs. Here you put a wrong mark, and here is 4 keys. So you put a tick mark here. The same way you do. जो ज़्यादा है उसमें टिक कर लीजिए और जो कम है उसमें आप wrong कर लीजिए. Here in this page also it is same. यहाँ पर इस पेज में भी जैसे आपने पहले पेज में किया है उसी तरीके से ही करना है. यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 flasks are given. So you put a tick mark here and 1 2 3. So here put a wrong mark in the circle. Here is 5 6 balls and 4 bats. So here is wrong mark and here is right mark. Here is wrong mark 3 and for 4 it is right mark. Here it is 2 hands and wrong mark and 3 watches. So it is the right mark. Here 5 apples. So you put right mark, and 4 chickus, put wrong mark. 3 balls, put right mark. 1 bat and put a wrong mark. Here is 5 girls, put right mark. For 4 girls, put wrong mark. 2 chairs, put wrong mark. 3 tables, put right mark. 3 kittens, put wrong mark. For cat, rats, you put right mark. And this is for today's lesson, and we will meet you next class. Thank you. Do all according to given in this video.